Alright, wait for him to clear the runway.
Taylor 623, clear 17, Taylor.
Taylor traffic, Skyhawk 7152 Quebec is going on runway 17 to remain in the pattern, runway right traffic 17, Taylor traffic. Well, ruined that radio call. Check finals clear. I don't see anyone, no one on the radio. Check the runway looks clear. Check the other approach just in case. Airspeed's alive. Rotate speed. We are off the ground. Little gust there. Alright, we'll start our turn for the crosswind. Launching that sight vector.
Taylor traffic, Skylane 6458 Alpha, holding short for runway 17, Taylor traffic.
Taylor traffic, Skyhawk 52 Quebec in the crosswind, for right pattern for 17, Taylor traffic.
Taylor traffic, Skylane 6458 Alpha, entering runway 17 for closed traffic, Taylor traffic.
Alright, there's traffic pattern altitude. Little gust. We're in the white arc, so first notch flaps going in. Second notch flaps. And start our turn. Taylor traffic, Skyhawk 5 to Quebec, turning base for 17, Taylor traffic. Alright. We are square. Descent looking good, 500 feet per minute. Keep that coming in. Start our turn for final.
Skywalker 83 Delta's 3 miles to the west inbound by Twin.
Taylor traffic, Skylane 6458 Alpha, turning right crosswind for runway 17, Taylor traffic.
Taylor traffic, Skyhawk 52 Quebec, on final for 17, Taylor traffic.
Taylor traffic, Skylane 6458 Alpha, turning right downwind for runway 17, Taylor traffic.
Alright, runway is made. Gotta pull power back to idle. Got center line. Rudder. There we go. We're gonna pitch for level flight. Go. The road carb heat's coming off. Flaps going up.
Taylor traffic, helicopter 215 Mike will be departing from the fuel pump area out to the southeast, staying east of all runways.
Taylor traffic, Skyhawk 52 Quebec is clear 17, Taylor traffic.
6458 Alpha, turning right base to runway 17, Taylor traffic.
Is Eran.
Taylor traffic, Skylane 6458 Alpha is turning right, or turning final for runway 17, stop Taylor.